All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 short wheelbase mid-roof with power windows, power door locks, backup camera. It's got 25,000 miles, vinyl, gray vinyl seating, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim or steel wheel, tire thread. It's over 730 seconds. Let me double check that. Let's double check that. That is correct, over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This quarter in its entirety, let's look at this bad boy. Looks pretty good. I do see some dents right here. Boom, 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 boom. See if there they are. There are quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe. All dents. I don't see any paintwork on them. Here's your rear rear driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds as well. Corner here looks pretty good. Keeping it moving. You got power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with 2 key fob combos. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on this bad boy. Got your AM FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Bit of focus. Boom. That's what your instrument cluster looks like. You see it does have a tire pressure light on you. Mileage of 2577. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Keep the lights on. Keep it moving. I see a little cracking here on this molding piece there. Rear looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. A little ding in here, about 1 inch. Heavy scratching there. This door looks good. This is what your rear cargo area looks like. Boom. Looks pretty decent. Your roll wells look pretty good. Here's what one of your doors looks like on this side. Pow. Looks pretty good with the molding piece. The covering here. Look at the panel looking good. Panel on this side looks good. Let's check out the roof. Go up this ladder real quick. And this is what your roof looks like, which looks fantabulous. There might be a little dent over there. Other than that, we look pretty damn good. We look good. Right here. I'm gonna check that out up there with the ladder. We do have a creasing. So you can see that could hit right here, this whole edge corner. Entire corner looks dented, and on that little corner spot back there. That's about it. Has been touched up, so it looks good. This corner here looks good. Let's see up there in that corner. Not too much on the back side as much as the sides. As you can see again, running down. Of course, the door seems to be opening and closing well. This is, of course, your side cargo area. What that looks like looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. This door looks good. Got a little ding here. Boom. That's about it. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread for this one is over 730 seconds. I don't know if I showed this one. This is your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread here is over 730 seconds as well. Fender looks good. Car looks good. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof short wheelbase with 25,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.